In this video you will discover what are keto macros. Hey, it's Sierra Knight here, author of the books Keto Diet Meal Prep and Keto Diet Bread. Here on Keto Diet Explorations, we help you to use the keto diet to lose weight, have more energy, and feel great throughout the day. If you are new here, make sure you click that red subscribe button and ring that bell icon. And all the links to everything we mention in this video, you can find linked in the description box below this video. What are keto macros video? So what is a keto macro? What is a macro? Macro is actually a shortened version of the larger word macronutrients. Macronutrients are the three main forms of nutrients the body needs to keep you alive. The three macronutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins. To ensure you are getting the right mix of macros for you and your weight loss needs, it is useful to plan out your keto meals, so that you eat keto meals with the right amounts of macros for you and your weight loss needs. By the way, did you know that you can fill out a simple questionnaire and have a custom keto meal plan made for you in a matter of minutes? Yes, it's true. See the description below for details on how you can create your very own custom keto meal plan today. Explanation of the different macros on keto. Not all macros are created equal. Carbs and proteins can supply 4 calories of energy per gram. Fats can supply 9 calories per gram. All the macronutrients can be converted into energy. The body uses each macronutrient in different ways. Fats. Fats have a small number of glucose, and are 90% ketogenic and 10% anti-ketogenic. Proteins. Because insulin levels rise after eating specific amino acids, proteins for the most part are about 47% ketogenic, and 54% anti-ketogenic. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates will raise both blood glucose and insulin. Because of this they are therefore 100% anti-ketogenic. Which means that carbohydrates will shut down ketone production, and so knock you out of a ketogenic state. Proteins and fats are vital for the body to function. Proteins are required by the body to build and maintain muscles. Fats can help with cell production and also with the absorption of nutrients found in other foods. Carbs are the one macronutrient you need low amounts of in your diet. Yes, the body needs sugars for energy, but because of a process in the liver known as gluconeogenesis, glucose can be made from glycerol, which can be found in fats and proteins. This is why on the keto diet you can eat very few carbs and still feel amazing. How to work out macros on keto. How to figure out how many of each macronutrient you should be eating each day. There are many keto calculators online that you can use to work out your required macronutrients. A keto calculator will ask you a number of questions about yourself, and then it will work out your macros based on that data. How to track macros on keto diet. Tracking your macros is one of the big key pieces you need to get right, if you want to achieve lasting success on the ketogenic diet. Keeping track of your macros each day can be very complicated and time-consuming, without the help of a tracking tool. A macros tracking tool will automatically and instantly track and calculate your daily required macros. Some good calorie tracking apps to consider using include MyFitnessPal, Chronometer. These types of apps will help you keep an eye on 1. Portion sizes. 2. Find carbs hidden in foods you wouldn't normally expect. 3. And keep you honest when you have those extra bites and snacks throughout the day, which can add up and prevent you from achieving keto success. Shortcut to keto macros. Getting your macros right is a key part of making the keto diet work for you. By the way, did you know a shortcut to guarantee your macros are right for you, is to create a keto meal plan? Yes, it's true. See the description below this video to find out how to create your very own custom keto meal plan in minutes. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed, you can hit that red subscribe button to make sure you subscribe now and don't miss anything. And if you have any questions or comments about this video or the keto diet in general, please leave your comments below. Thanks.